Welcome to ISL Enabled Virtual Lab of CSIR.
This comic is presented as part of an initiative by CSIR NML Pune and sponsored by CSIR Jigyasa. This is a presentation by Ms. Mehati Mestri, a CSIR Jigyasa intern from the Bachelor of Design, MIT School of Design in Pune. Function of proteins. Hi mom, can you please tell me if protein build and repair muscles? Well, yes, but remember, not all proteins do the same. Different proteins have different functions in the body. That makes sense. Simple based on their structure. But how do we know one protein is different from the other? Building blocks of life. Proteins are made up of amino acids. It is made up of water, protein, and carbohydrate. Chains of several hundred or more amino acids. Approx 1 lakh types. Mainly we have 20 types of amino acid. Amino acids are like these puzzle pieces. Unique structure of protein can be made by joining these puzzles pieces in a specific order. Similar like this, chains of several hundred or more amino acids. Okay, makes me wonder, how do we know the protein structure? Interesting question. X-ray room. Do you remember that trip to the hospital after your brother broke his hand? We had to get an X-ray to see exactly where the fracture was. Yes, yeah. Just as an X-ray scan reveals the structure of the bones, X-ray crystallography is a technique to find the three-dimensional atomic structure of the protein. Wow! Now how does that work? Finding structure using crystals. When we shine X-ray on a protein crystal, they diffract in different directions. By analyzing the diffraction patterns, we can create a 3D structure of protein. Wow! Interesting. How is it done? First, we need to grow pure protein crystal in the lab. This takes time. We carefully mix the purified protein with special chemicals to form a crystal. It is like growing a rock candy but with far more precision. Amazing! Look like a tiny jewel.